In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code with Sharex. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any link or short piece of text into a clean, scannable QR code and how to copy, save, or upload it for easy sharing. Start by opening Sharex from your desktop. If you've never used it before, Sharex is a free utility that includes a handy QR code generator alongside its screen capture tools. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Tools. This panel gathers a variety of built-in utilities. From that list, choose QR code. As soon as you select it, a dedicated QR code window will appear. In this window, make sure you're on the Text tab. This is where you'll type or paste the content you want to encode. You can paste a full website address, such as a product page or a sign-up form, or you can enter plain text like a short message or a reference code. If you're using a link, include the full URL starting with HTTP or HTTPS so that phones recognize it as a website immediately when scanned. As you type, you'll see a live preview of the QR code update in real time. This is helpful because you can instantly check that the code looks clear and not overly dense. Shorter text and shorter URLs often produce simpler, more scannable codes. If the pattern appears very tight, consider using a shortened link from a trusted service before pasting it in. Once your QR code looks good, you have a few convenient ways to use it. If you just need it quickly in another app, choose Copy Image. Then you can paste it straight into a document, a slide deck, a chat, or an email without saving a file first. If you want a file you can reuse or print, click Save, or right-click and choose Save Image As. Pick PNG for crisp lines, especially if you'll print the code or place it on designs, or choose JPEG if you prefer a smaller file for web use. Name the file clearly and choose a folder you'll remember. If you want to share the code as a link right away, click Upload. Sharex will send the image to your default image host and return a shareable URL, usually copied straight to your clipboard. This is great for sending in a message or dropping into a project tracker without managing files. That's it. Open Sharex, go to Tools, choose QR code, enter your text or link, watch the live preview, and then copy, save, or upload. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.